So roll on, buddy, roll on. Roll on, buddy, roll on. You wouldn't go so slow if you knew what I know. So roll on, buddy, roll on.
Dance break.
Hey guys, taking a quick breather. Let's check out the view here. Day one.
You don't see it?
We're about 1.5 miles in. We are up on top. We're at Beauty Spot.
We're at Beauty Spot, and it is
Lookout.
beautiful.
Beauty
It's
spot.
beautiful. Check this out.
A-1.
We are up on top of a mountain, my friends.
Anyone that is watching this, and no screen can capture the epicness of anywhere.
Those are the hills we're climbing next. Hey folks, we're at about 4,000 feet. We are going up there. Unica Mountain, 5,100 feet. Wish us luck. It's breakfast Monday morning at Cherry Gap Shelter. What's for breakfast? Yeah. Pop-Tarts. What are you having, Jake? Cheesy grits and bacon? Monday, we're going from Cherry Gap Shelter to Clyde Smith Shelter, about 9.2 miles. It's a little bit windy. We got a long way to go, my friend. 6 more miles today. It's Tuesday morning at Clyde Smith Shelter. We just survived a night of rain in the hammocks with the Superfly. It was an eventful night last night. The boys are up in the shelter, at Clyde Smith Shelter, with a bunch of co-eds, and we got some Naval Academy guys that stayed behind. We had about 14 people at the shelter last night, so it made for some pretty good excitement.
Don't run that 9 miles.
No,
Oh my God.
It's wet.
Good morning, Jake.
No, I was thinking, like, I wonder if I
Hey,
could...
Kenny. Good morning, Kenny. How you doing, bud?
No.
Did you guys sleep good? Yeah. Alright. Can you show us what you're making for breakfast, Kenny?
Eggs.
Bye, guys.
Yo, good luck.
Take care, guys. Have fun.
Is it ready yet? I mean,
If it's boiling.
there's a bunch of bubbles. That counts.
If it's boiling, yeah. Bubbles are boiling. You're eating oatmeal.
It's boiling with fingers. And then...
We're getting ready to leave Clyde Shelter. It's been a pretty wet morning, but the rain has cleared up. The blue skies are coming out. And we're headed to Roan Mountain.
I will sit right here. I am very, 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 very,
I'll get over next to Mom more.
I'll put my arm around you like this.
I'm gonna put my arm around his ears. Oh, stinky out. Let's do this. Alright.
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay. That's good.
This is really awkward.
Look, it looks pretty steep over here.
Yeah.
So be careful, don't.
Yeah.
No.
It's like we're in a tropical rainforest.
I know, look at that bird up there coming around.
Where?
It's a big old bird right there. What is that?
Is that a vulture?
I don't know. Looks like you might want to eat us.
Well, I'd say, come at me, bro.
Look at that.
Get him. Like we're in the Amazon or something.
Guys, I don't know if you can tell in this video, but it is straight down. Right off the side of this trail.
Exciting.
like a stinking jungle up here. Yeah, I think we're going to that top.
Well, that's gonna suck. That'll be pretty cool at the top, I guess.
Look at these rocks. Look at just shooting out of the side of this mountain.
So beautiful.
Folks, we are headed up to that peak, I think. We are going, if you can't tell, that is about a 45-degree angle up. Rocks, here's down. You don't want to go down. Dad, you would not want to be up here. It's a straight drop off on both sides of me. We are getting higher and higher. Yeah.
I'm out of breath.
How you guys doing?
Tired. That's pretty cool.
Man, this is awesome. I am so not tired.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Be careful.
Dad, this is crazy.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
It is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't even hear it.
Oh, I heard it hit. It just now hit.
Oh, don't, guys, man, don't horse around. Oh my gosh, I got the willies in my belly.
This is crazy.
Oh,
Where's my phone?
Like this.
Hey, my phone's in my pocket. Like right here, you know?
holy crap.
Can you get it for me?
Yeah.
I gotta get a picture of this.
What do you think, Jake?
This is awesome.
Can you get it for me, Dad?
It's a straight drop off this rock, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Are y'all with the group?
Yeah, that entire group.
From where?
Rockford, New Jersey.
I hope my dad doesn't see that
New
one.
Jersey, dang.
What?
Jake, come on.
You're so...
Oh man, I said that on video.
Yes, you did.
Okay, so this is Jake and I.
What's up?
Jake and me.
Oh, okay.
And so Jake had the good idea of walking to North Carolina. And we're currently in Tennessee right now, so it's gonna be quite the feat here. Gosh. I can't believe we're doing this.
It's a pretty long way to North Carolina.
I know, right? Goodness.
Holy crap, we're there. Wow.
Oh, look at that. Okay, here we go. And
Damn, I'm in North Carolina.
North Carolina.
Woohoo! That was easy.
All right, what now?
Just go back.
Just want to go back?
Nope. Just keep walking.
I kind of miss Tennessee.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? You're right. Let's go.
Yeah.
Well, bye everybody.
Jake and I are back in Tennessee now.
Hi there.
And we just wanted to give a little special moment to Roan Mountain's
Grassy ball.
Grassy Balls. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hey, it's Wednesday morning. We're at Carver's Gap, home away from home. Spent the night without a shelter last night, but we're getting ready to climb another mountain up to the Bald. I don't know if you can see it up here. Way up there through those trees, we're going up to that Bald. We'll get some good footage of where Steve and I slept last night. Got our hammocks up. Got our water. There's our clean water and our dirty water bag. Beautiful evergreens. The cedars all around us. Great forest. Here's the boys sleeping under the Superfly. Alright, from here we go to the Over Mountain Lookout. We'll spend the night at a shelter there. Tonight will probably be our last night sleeping out here. We're going to hike all day today, all day tomorrow. And then Friday we've got storms, so we're going to get out Thursday night. We're going to get a ride out. And we will have completed our trek. Yes, sir. We're going up to the top of that Bald. Whew. Yeah, I'm with you. Piece of cake. We're hiking to the top of Baldy today. There's some great views up here. If I can get some of this, I'll get it on camera. You can see we're walking through some pretty cool mountains. This right here is Roan Mountain over here. These are the Utica Mountains. We came through those mountains just the other day.
People, as you can see behind me, we have a big mountain. Yep, and up there, here's Kenny. Kenny, turn around and say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, this mountain was fairly short of a walk.
I'm tired of it. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's go. Here's Mr. Ken. He's worried about is it rolling or not.
I just passed gas.
Oh God! Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that.
Steve found a great place to work on his teaching. Yee! Galaxy Tab, go. Beautiful gift from God right here, folks. Those two mounds up ahead are Little Hump and Big Hump. And this is Jane Bald we just came off of, which was after Round Bald. Each of those were at 5,800 feet. We're going up, up here, and then we're going to go to these two balds over here. So we have a long day ahead of us. We're on the back side of Jane Bald, and it appears Jake's got some mail. What happened here, Jake? You get some mail?
Oh wow!
What is that?
It's dues for checking this mail.
It's what?
Fines for opening this box.
Are you serious?
I swear.
Well, I guess that's somebody else's mail then.
I'll just put that.
What does it say? Goat information.
Yep.
I guess that's for the people who take care of the goats.
I suppose.
For those of you that don't know, they let Watusi cattle and goats graze these browns in order to keep them clear. Hey guys, we've been walking on this mountain today. I want you to see where we're going. Up here. See that little peak up there? We're going up onto that rocky peak. We got Eric, a guide, here with us, showing us around. It's beautiful. Alright, we're coming up to the top. It's about 6,300 feet. Oh my. This is pretty spectacular. Look at the boys up there on top of this mountain. Kenny, Jake! This is Stan Murray Shelter. Huh. Stan Murray. It's Wednesday, about 4:30, and we're coming into our shelter for tonight. It's the Over Mountain Shelter at Yellow Gap. Check out this cool barn. That's our shelter for tonight. We're gonna be staying in here. Who knows how many friends we'll have.
Now's the time for you guys to sweep this off, if you're going to sweep it off.
Yeah.
Here's where we're going tomorrow. 9 miles. Well, today you get to go with us to get water. You get to see how we filter water. We follow the Blue Blaze Trail down to the water, and we will use our gravity filter to filter the fresh mountain spring water.
Okay, this is how we filter water. What we do, we get it and we fill it up like that. Through the pipe. Oh yeah, taking a good long time. And Kenny over here, he sets up the filtration system. And then me, I'm the cameraman.
You're a loser.
No, you're a loser.
Nice comeback.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And then it just goes on and on and on. What you do is you hang your water from there. You get it, you attach it, hook it up like that.
Okay.
And the water goes down that pipe. There's the filter right there. Goes down the pipe and to your platypus, or otherwise known as platypus, platypus, or whatever tickles your peach.
Yeah, my home is down in Tennessee. In Tennessee, that's where I want to be. Way down in sunny Tennessee. So roll on, buddy, roll on. Roll on, buddy, roll on. You wouldn't go so slow if you knew what I know. So roll on, buddy, roll on. It means in making love as long as I am able. Pulling corn and cotton too, so when the day is over, ride a mule and cut the fool and love to take you on over. I can't read, I don't care, and education's awful. Raising heck and writing checks, it ought to be unlawful. Silk clothes and frilly hose are just a waste of money. Come with me and stay with me and say you'll be my honey. Yeah, cornbread and butter beans and you across the table. Eat them beans and making love as long as I am able. Pulling corn and cotton too, so when the day is over, ride and cut the fool and love to take you on over. And that's all the words I know to that.
Yeah, very nice.
Hey Rob, if I drive your car back, can you play while I drive? That'd be awesome.
Breakfast at Yellow Gap. Did you have grits? Yeah. Alright. Oatmeal for me. There's our scenery this morning when we get up. Here's our setup. You can see my hammock over there with Kenny. Steve's hammock over here with Jake. We had about 20 people here in this shelter last night. The rest of them are upstairs. But this is our last morning. It's bittersweet. It's Thursday morning. We're headed to Apple House Shelter at 19 East, where we'll get a ride out. We had a great time. It's been a memorable occasion. Can't wait to do it again. Thursday morning, last day. There's home away from home. That's where we spent the night last night.
In a barn.
In a barn. 20 of us.
Yep.
Had a great time. The boys are just trucking along, man.
I think they're loving this.
They've been talking this whole way about how much fun they had.
Really?
Yes, they have.
That is awesome.
I'm loving hearing it. Well, that's where we're going. That's Little Hump. And that's not even the highest point today. That's the second highest point for today. Check it out, guys. That's where we went yesterday. Nice peak up there. We're on top of Little Hump Mountain right now. Steve and I are. The boys have gone on ahead. We are having a blast. The sun is shining bright, the wind is not blowing. We're headed up to Big Hump, right up here. Hey, we're headed up Hump Mountain. This is our highest peak for today, our last big climb of the AT. And I don't know if you can see, but Kenny and Jake are up there on that little hump just before it. Those boys are not slowing down a lick. They know it's the last day, and they are all about it. Go get them. Got Steve plugging along behind me. We are walking up this mammoth. It's a mile straight up. Kenny and Jake are about a half a mile ahead of us. I'm a little bit jealous at this point. We got a long way to go. I don't know if you can tell the length of this climb in the video, but we got almost a mile to go still, 3/4 of a mile probably. It's gonna be a good one. It's a little windy up here, but I'm just kind of taking stock one last time before I get to the top. I'm almost there. Beautiful sight, man. I'm almost to the top. These rock outcroppings are just amazing. Got these two boys here just chilling out like it's all in a day's work. Look at the rain off in the distance, man. That rain just skirted around us. We barely got sprinkled on. Nipping at our heels. But we are at the top of the mountain. That's beautiful coming up here.
Are we gonna eat here? No.
I think we need to snap some pictures and head off the mountain before we get thunder and lightning on. But there's rocks that just jet out of the ground all over the place. It's like it's just beautiful. It's a great sight. Kind of see how powerful God is. Check out these rocks here. Oh, sorry. These rocks are just shooting straight up out of the ground into a point up there. They come right out of the side of this mountain here. I mean, just straight up and at a point. We are up on top of a big old ridge. It's our last stop on the trail, having some lunch. Chilling out here at this awesome lookout. Blue skies are finally coming back. We got hailed on, rained on, a little bit of everything. There's beautiful scenery here. Look at this. This is just a great place to eat lunch, let me tell you. We got about 2 miles left. And we're hanging up the boots for this trip. Kenny and Steve up here on this lookout, having lunch. Man, thousands of feet up. Oh, look at the mountains. The skies are clearing. Thank you, Lord. Well, we're at the end of the road. We've reached Route 19 East, just past the Apple House shelter. There's the end of the road here. I guess that's the place to go. Hey guys. You guys want to go for another trek? You ready to keep hiking?
In about 5 years, I'll be ready.
You survive?
I think so.
Alright, good.
Is this real life?
This is real. Alright.
Yeah, I did it.
Thanks for coming along with us.
Eating them beans and making love as long as I am able. Pulling corn and cotton too, so when the day is over, ride a mule and cut the fool and love to take on over. I can't read, I don't care, and education's awful. Raising heck and writing checks, it ought to be unlawful. Silk clothes and frilly hose are just a waste of money. Come to me and stay with me and say you'll be my honey. Yeah, cornbread and butter beans and you across the table. Eat them beans and making love as long as I am able. Pulling corn and cotton too, so when the day is over, round Not the fool in love to take out over. And that's all the words I know to that.
Yeah, very nice.
Hey Rob, if I drive your car back, can you play while I drive? That'd be awesome.